I'm Laura Stanley. I am the Jewelry and Watch Evaluator for Arkansas Treasures. I am going to talk to you a little bit about pearls today. Pearls will come knotted as a rule. You want them knotted if possible, because then if you were to break the strand, the worst you can do is lose one and you don't lose all 78 pearls. See how this strand is sort of crooked? That's because these are fresh knots. It's very tight. It is freshly strung, and that is a good thing. These pearls are not freshly strung and they're already loose. See how they wiggle? That means the thread has started to stretch out. Every few years, you'll have to get them restrung depending on how often you wear them and how hard you wear them. Some people can go for several years, but other people have to get it done very regularly, and that's all fine. When you clean them, don't use something like this, which is a jewelry cleaner that contains ammonia. You want to use something that's soft, like a mild soap like Dove or Ivory, or a jewelry cleaner like this. This is a foam, and it's made for pearls specifically. It won't dry them out. It doesn't have ammonia in it. Once you finish cleaning your pearls, lay them out for at least 24 hours so that the silk can dry. If you put them on wet, the silk will stretch, and you don't want that. And lastly, when you are storing your pearls, you want to not throw them in your jewelry box with everything else, because they are soft and they are susceptible to damage. You want to put them in something like this, a suede pouch that you got from a jeweler, a plastic bag, just anything that'll protect them and keep them from rubbing on each other, okay? And now you can put them in a box. Follow us on social media or at myarpbs.org/Arkansas Treasures for more.